Today I'm making Fright Night striped roll cake. This is the first roll cake I've ever made, so I just found a recipe and I made it. I think that if I wanted to do like just a solid color, this is a great recipe for that. However, for the stripes, I would like a thicker consistency because you'll see once I start pouring it in the pan, all of the stripes are rolling into each other, and so I had to go way faster than I wanted to, especially with it being my first roll cake. Overall, it came out pretty good. I had like this error, and I went ahead and just sliced that whole piece off and made cake balls. I did use a filling for this, so it came out a little bit more thick than I wanted. So you'll see at the end, I do like a little second part where I actually just use whipped cream, and I think it came out better. You can find this recipe in the description. Please like and share, follow me for more, and have a great Halloween.